Yankees, you know what? They didn't hit Pavano and they didn't hit Blackburn. That scares me a little bit. You know what? I'm telling you, this series is going to be a very good series. The Angels know how to play the Yankees. They put pressure on the Yankees.
Are you down on Burnett?
No, I think. Yeah, I'm not a big Burnett guy. He's got to prove some stuff to me here. I love Pettit. He's throwing great.
And this idea that Burnett was brilliant in Game 1. He hit Game 2. He hit two batters and walked 5 guys.
That was ridiculous.
He didn't pitch that
First of all, he should have given up another run.
Yes, Gomez screwed up the bases. How was he brilliant in that game?
He wasn't. He walked 5 guys and hit 2. He wasn't brilliant at all.
And I don't also buy the idea that now A-Rod's out of the woods here because he hit a couple of home runs.
He's not out of the woods yet, but you know he did take a big step. He won that series. He absolutely.
He did.
Hey,
he won the series.
Look,
but they would have won the series anyway.
The way
though.
Pavano pitched in Game 3, if they lose Game 2 and Pavano pitches like that in Game 3, that series could be a different series. It really can.
You think he's out of the woods?
If Nick Punto doesn't screw up around that could have been a huge inning.
The Twins were they tried too hard against the Yankees.
They're so psyched out. And you know what? I lost a lot of respect for Nick.